We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
In addition to mountain songs or shangge, there's another type of Hakka song known as 小调. Unlike mountain songs, which are highly embellished and require extensive improvisation, 小调 are fixed in terms of lyrics, melody, and accompaniment. Although the origin of some songs is debated, 小调 can be divided into modern and traditional forms. Modern 小调 often put new words to old tunes, and some are adaptations of other types of Hakka folk song. The equivalent of pop songs today, 小调's ease of performance meant that they were widely sung throughout Taiwan. This led to stylistic variations based on the island's different Hakka and other ethnic groups. For instance, the Meinong mountain song, Meinong客家山歌, and tribal song, 原住民山歌 styles. Although each verse is usually made up of 7 words and 4 sentences, 七言四句, singers can make slight rhythmical changes by adding decorative word sounds. Filled with pun and alliteration, the main theme of 小调 is love. Sung as solos, duets, or in chorus, the songs are usually accompanied by a simple orchestra of traditional instruments, like the 2-stringed harp, 二弦, bamboo flute, 竹箫, southern zither, 南胡, and drum, 西鼓. Hi, and welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hey, Josephine. And you know what? There is a big holiday that's coming up in the Chinese culture real soon. It's called Dragon Boat Festival. 有没有听过？端午节。
五月节。
啊，叫五月节。
端午节是农历5月5号嘛？
啊，对，没错。
所以它是五月节。
哦，就直接用那个月份来当做这个节日啊。
是的。
Oh, wow, that's very interesting. The Hakka just takes the month because it's the 5th month of the year on the lunar calendar, and so it's called 五月节。That's Dragon Boat Festival, 也就是端午节。那有没有什么句子可以教
？OK， 五月节失踪诶，看爬龙山。
五月节就端午节，失踪了。
吃粽子
吃粽子了。然后嘞，
看爬龙山，
看人家爬龙山。但是 I don't get it.
不是
划龙船啊！哇，怎么这么不一样 Okay, we gotta learn this. It sounds so weird. It sounds like, Hakka people actually disappear and go climb the mountain. Okay, so now I get it. Again, that means during Dragon Boat Festival, you should eat the rice cakes and also watch people, row the dragon boat. Let's review it one more time.
五月节，
五月节，
失踪诶。
失踪诶，
看爬龍山，
看爬龍山。
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.